Today, we're going to share 5 powerful steps that, if followed, won't just change your life in a year but will bring amazing, life-changing results in just 3 to 6 months. This will help you make a comeback like you've always wanted. If you want this to be the best comeback of your life, make sure to follow step 4 because it includes something that will guarantee your comeback. These 5 steps are based on years of research and personal experience, so make sure not to miss any of them, especially the 4th step. But first, let's start with step 1. Step 1. Clarity. Take a screenshot of what you're seeing on your screen right now. We'll explain why this is important. The more clarity you bring to your mind, the better and faster you'll achieve what you desire. Most people know what they want but often get distracted. They watch different videos on YouTube trying to regain focus. From now on, avoid this mistake. If you want your vision and mindset to stay clear for the next 365 days, start by taking a piece of paper and dividing it into 4 sections. Ask yourself these 4 questions honestly and write down the answers. 1. If I were fearless and couldn't fail, what would I do? 2. What will I be most proud of in a year? 3. What are the 3 things I need to stop doing right now? 4. If someone else were in my situation, what advice would I give them? By thinking through and writing down the answers, your mind will start gaining clarity, reducing brain fog, and you'll know exactly where to go, why, and how to get there. Remember, everything happens twice, once in your mind and then in reality. So, visualize your goals clearly. Keep this paper with you for the next year, and whenever you feel unclear, read it. It will act as a guiding light, helping you stay on track. Step 2. The magic of manifestation. You may have heard that to keep your goals in mind, you need to see them regularly, and for that, you should create a vision board. Not only should you create a physical vision board, but also a digital one. We personally use Notion to track our goals, their vision, and progress. Whether you use our template or not, you must create a digital Pinterest board. Save pins that inspire you and add a widget on your phone's home screen. This way, your goals will be in front of you 24/7, feeding into your subconscious mind. Step 3. Reverse engineer your action plan. Take a moment to pause and carefully read what's shown on your screen. You can save it as well. This is the best method to achieve any goal, whether it's related to health, wealth, or relationships. If you want to win the year, first win the month. To win the month, win the week. To win the week, win today. Break down your yearly goals into monthly milestones, then into weekly actions, and finally into daily tasks. For example, if you want to gain 12 kilograms of muscle in a year, set a goal of gaining 1 kilogram per month. Break that down further into weekly workout sessions and daily tasks like intense workouts and protein intake. Step 4. Don't repeat the same mistakes. Most people set yearly goals but fail to achieve them because they repeat the same mistakes. They expect different results without changing their approach. Learn from these mistakes. We've been through this ourselves and know the value of learning from experience. Avoid mistakes like poor time management, procrastination, lack of discipline, and focus. If you're serious about changing your life this year, we recommend joining our Success Secret course. It's designed to help you avoid common mistakes and achieve your goals. The course includes a personal Notion planner to track your progress daily. Step 5. Track your progress. Divide your upcoming year into 2 semesters, just like in school. This will help you see your self-improvement journey every 6 months. We use a simple habit tracking app called Habit Bowl. Give yourself a 30-day challenge and focus on never missing 2 days in a row. Start with a 7-day challenge and then move to a month-long challenge. Tracking your progress keeps you motivated and shows that you're on the right path. If you want to ensure your comeback, join our Success Secret course through the link in the description. Like the video and subscribe.